Alhamdulillah, we have had a very successful meeting this morning between the Kenya Hajj Mission and the Minister of Hajj and Umrah Affairs. A meeting that was convened by the Minister of Hajj and Umrah for the purposes of preparation of the signing of the agreement between the Hajj missions across the world, a meeting that is coming in November 9 through 12, inshallah ta'ala. In this meeting, we were able to cover a number of areas of interest. That one of the things the ministry shared with us this morning is the level of the compliance with the timelines for Hajj. If you can remember, in June 12th, the Minister of Hajj and Umrah Affairs shared with us the calendar of activities in the preparation of 2026 1447 Hajj season. And one of the things in the calendar, they have about 8 levels or 8 engagements. We are through with the first and second and third levels. Those are actually basically identifying the Hajj agencies, choosing the location, and of course, and paying the services in the Mashair, that is Mina and Arafah, and also finalizing the things to do with the transport and other things. So where we are at the moment, we are actually at the level, at the 4th level, the level of the meetings. These meetings are done globally, and today was the Kenyan day for them to be able to hear what we are saying. We have agreed on a number of things that we need to do. One is to seriously adhere to the calendar that they have shared. They have also given us our performance of last year. It's like a reflection of how the mission performed last year. We are very glad, despite not very happy, that despite the challenges that we faced, the Kenya attained 69% of overall performance in Hajj contracting within that year, which is really very, very encouraging. We are looking forward this year to be 100%, inshallah, based on the commitments of the Hajj agencies that are working with the Kenya Hajj Mission. Basically, one of the things also the ministry have come out very strongly, they have requested the Hajj Mission to continue campaigns against the illegal Hajj. Illegal Hajj are people who travel to Saudi Arabia without valid documents or valid visas for Hajj. And unfortunately, last year, we all know what happened. Some people managed to issue fake visas, and those are some of the things that are being seriously discouraged. And they have told us the penalties that people are going to pay. In fact, individuals who will be caught up in Saudi Arabia with illegal visas will be charged 20,000 Saudi Riyal. And the companies or people who have facilitated their movement to Saudi Arabia will be penalized 100,000 Saudi Riyal, and possibly also being jailed, and more importantly, they'll be blacklisted for 10 years without entering the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. These are some of the things that the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia have requested Muslims to continue doing those campaigns. They have also shared with us a number of materials to help educate Kenyans who are preparing to go to Hajj. And we shall be sharing those materials, including the links, so that people who are planning to travel to Saudi Arabia could be able to learn and access those facilities at this point in time, so that they prepare themselves as they plan to travel as the guests of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So basically, those are some of the things that we have discussed. We were also joined by the representatives of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the Republic of Kenya. We are also joined by the Consul General in Jeddah, His Excellency Balozi Adan Mohammed, who was also with us in the meeting, and of course the top leadership of the Ministry of Hajj, including the KAGA, that is the General Authority of Aviation in Saudi Arabia, who also thanked Kenyans last year that we did not experience challenges in the airline. And they again insisted that we need to work hard to ensure that we approve the airlines as soon as possible, so that we can also have a flawless arrangements as we prepare for Hajj. Finally, they have actually told us, and that is what the calendar says, that everything, all the payments must be finalized before the month of February. All the payment before the issuance of visas. We want to urge Kenyans who are planning to travel, please pay now to your respective agents, because we may not have any way of helping anybody when the time comes, because you delay, then Waswahili wanasema chelewa chelewa mwana si wako. We may not have an option of how to help a latecomer, because the Hajj agencies have struggled much and raising the amount of money, because I can actually tell Kenya Muslims, the Hajj Mission has been able to pay $6.2 million US dollars to secure the location and the basic services. That's not a small amount of money. We really want Muslims, those who are willing to travel, to start paying as soon as possible, to make it easy for the agencies to move to the next level of securing hotels, securing any other basic arrangements that are required, and including the airlines, so that we don't have the rush for that. And for me to keep quiet now is actually just to say, as we plan to go to Hajj, let us remember, since the time of Nabi Allah Ibrahim, Hajj always has its own challenges. You should know it's very difficult for you to eradicate the challenges of Hajj, because it's actually one of the reasons why Hajj is sometimes classified as part of the jihad, because of the challenges that you get through, the experiences you get through, and the hardships. Because managing over 3 million people in one site at one time is not an easy task. So somebody will be happy, another one will not be happy. Expectations are also different. I want to urge Kenyans that if you want to pay to be in a good place, please you'll pay more, so that you don't expect better services by paying low amount of money. There are several classes that are provided for. It is actually provided for VVIP, there is VIP, there is class B, there is C, whatever that you want. Somebody can set what he wants to pay for, so that you don't pay the least and you expect the bigger services. That's where we normally have a problem. People pay money very little, and then they want to be given VVIP treatment. It's not possible. But alhamdulillah, those services are provided for, they are available, but pay if you want a better kind of accommodation in the kingdom. But you must also remember there are timelines, because you cannot come late and want to be put in VVIP or the VIP. Is not possible. You have to pay on time, because these services are procured and they are quite expensive, and therefore taxing to the agencies who labor and struggle to get the money that is required for the bookings. Thank you. May Allah bless you and make us all, give us an opportunity to participate in Hajj, either by providing services and or by doing the ibadah as commanded by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Barakallahu fikum.